Gotta knock the dirt off. Next day, pretty big pile, consolidated. It's covered in obviously old barn tin and junk like that. Just making a Dutch oven. The stump unfortunately the stump rolled. It was sitting up high and the stuff under it burned, and at nighttime when we were gone, it rolled off. So if it hadn't, this stump would be cut in half. But it rolled out of the fire, and well, I mean, I'll agree. Stump don't burn if it's not in the fire. That stump's burning. Not gas either, it's just tin and a leaf blower. Well, he might be here. Okay, let's look at our fire. In a minute. Say something to the people out there in the world, Henry. What do you think?
Pretty good.
Pretty good? Let's see if there's any coals left so we can get lit up again.
Oh yeah, there's definitely gonna be coals.
Think so?
Yeah.
It's been a few days.
I think you should throw juice box, stump, and then load.
It's been about 3 days. Well, all the big wood. All the big wood is pretty much gone. Everything in that circle burned out. And unfortunately the stump rolled out. We weren't able to get the... I mean, half the stump is... Obviously, this half of it's gone, but most of the fire was going on over here. And we weren't able to get the stump back in because the wind was blowing all the fire that way. preventing me from standing there to push it into the fire. But now that it's gone out, we can kind of reset our pile.
I'll show you guys how to light.
I don't think you will.
I have a that is good and perfect to burn. Find a hole to put in the thing that you want to burn and then light it.
Yeah, that's good advice. Well, nothing's warm anymore, so it did all go out. But little by little, we'll just keep burning. It'll keep eroding, keep chipping away and knocking the dirt off. Right here you can see it's all dirt. So the dirt dries out, and you just keep knocking back the dirt and regrouping your fire. And everything that is burnable, you just keep picking it up and putting it there to the front. And little by little, there's nothing left but limbs, and you can reconsolidate all that. Just keep knocking that dirt off. Henry, come here. Light that.
So guys, you have to have a clear path to what you're doing.
Henry, light the twigs that I just put. Light this pile right here. Without burning your face. Come on, hurry up. Oh, don't be a goober. Get the bottom. No, get the bottom. Calm down. ADHD, guys. You people who have one of these little ADHD kids, God bless you. You know what it is. You can't sit still. Okay, now that fire's going. Henry, back out of there. Now, we're going to play with gas. Henry, back all the way out of there. Put your tin up. Block the prevailing wind. So that's what these ones do. And now, you got your mixture of gas with oil in it, so it's not too explosive. Okay? And that's how you can somewhat safely spread fire to the other side. If this was straight gas, I'd already been burnt probably by now. I bet you that bottle would have blown up in my hand. But it's cut down with motor oil for the sake of making it a little bit safer to retard the burn rate. Now what I need to do is get that stuff all in there going. I got it lit. I got it covered in tin to keep the heat in, and now I just hit it with the leaf blower. It's already getting going again. Tell me that the stump itself is not burning. Of course it is. Look at it. Stumps do burn, and you can burn a green stump. It's just, you got to be able to dry it out. You need to make a Dutch oven. You got to have a big blast of air, like a furnace, you know? Look at that. Every time you hit that with the leaf blower, more wood jumps off it. The erosion is just rapid when you're hitting it with a leaf blower because the temperature is so high, the wood is just popping off. And then the layer beneath it gets burnt and gets going. I can't get any closer, it's so hot right here. And now the grass is burning. It's slow. It's a slow process. But stumps can burn. Here's how you do it.